In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup free vector images in PowerPoint. If you've ever downloaded a free vector icon or illustration and couldn't change individual parts, it's likely grouped as a single object. The fix is quick once you know where to click, and by the end, you'll be able to edit every shape, color, and element with confidence. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. You can create a new blank presentation or open a file that already contains the vector you want to modify. Navigate to the slide with your graphic, then click the image to select it. You should see a bounding box around the entire illustration. That box tells you everything inside is currently treated as one grouped object. With the object selected, look up to the ribbon at the top of your screen and choose the Format tab that appears. Depending on your version and the type of graphic, it may be labeled Shape Format or Graphic Format. If you don't see a Format tab, click the image again to make sure it's selected. Those tabs only appear when an object is active. Next, find the Arrange group on the ribbon, click the Group button there, and in the drop-down menu, choose Ungroup. If you're working with an SVG or similar vector, PowerPoint may prompt you to convert it to a Microsoft Office drawing object. Select Yes. This lets PowerPoint break the graphic into editable pieces. After ungrouping, click on the artwork again. You should now be able to select individual shapes inside the design. That means you can change a single color fill, adjust an outline, resize a piece, or even delete an element you don't need. If it still behaves like a single object, repeat the same ungroup command once or twice more. Some vectors have multiple grouping levels. You'll know you're there when each click highlights only one small component. A quick note, this works with true vector graphics like SVG, EMF, or WMF files. If your image is a PNG or JPG, it's a bitmap and can't be ungrouped into shapes. You'll need the original vector file. Once everything is separate, feel free to customize. Recolor parts using shape fill and shape outline, tweak outline thickness, or open the Format Shape pane to add gradients and subtle shadows. Use the eyedropper to match exact brand colors. And if you make a change you don't love, a simple undo gets you back on track. When you're finished editing, the pieces will remain independent. To move or scale the graphic as one unit again, select the entire set of elements, go back to the same group button and choose Group. That rebundles your artwork into a single, easy-to-handle object. And that's it. Ungrouping free vector images in PowerPoint is fast and gives you complete creative control. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching.